Have you ever got into the situation where you're trying to merge your own branch into another branch, but Git is unable to do it because of the merge conflicts? Do you understand why it would have happened and how to resolve it? And why do you get this error? What is the meaning of it? And once you get the error, why the branch got changed to this, which says pipe and then merging after your branch name. This is the conflicting file. And why does it look so weird? Why do we have these arrows here? What does this section represent? What are current changes, incoming changes, both changes? And why our file is placed under this merge changes section in the VS Code editor? If you have ever pondered about these questions, we're going to answer them today. Let's start the session. The answer to the question that why merge conflict happens is that whenever two people are trying to make edits in the same files and on the same line, that is where the merge conflicts will appear. And you will never see these merge conflicts when fast forward merge strategy could be used by Git. Those will be coming up only in the three-way merge process, because in only that case we have two divergent branches where one of the branches have already moved ahead with some new commits and the second branch doesn't know about those commits. And now when both the branches have made the change on the same file and on the same lines, that is where the merge conflicts will appear. So we will take a very simple case to understand the whole process. So we have two SDETs working in a team, and we have a remote repo, and now both the SDETs want to work on different features, but as part of their work they need to change the same file, let's say test.ng, and they want to change the same line on that file. As the process, what will happen is both the SDETs will pull the master branch first to have the latest updates on their local repo. Now once they have it, they will both start working on their own respective branches, and during the process, let's say both of them made a change in the test.ng.xml file on the same line. Now SDET1 was the one who was able to get his changes merged, so he was able to merge his changes into the master branch on the remote repo. So once that is done, it means the changes which he made on test.ng.xml file now resides on the master branch. Now when SDET2 wanted to merge his own changes to master branch, what he'll do is he will check out the master branch on his local repo, and then he will take a pull from the remote repo to make sure that there are no new commits. But when he does the pull of the master branch on his local repo, he will find that there is one new commit on it, which was made by the SDET1. And now when SDET2 will try to merge his own branch into the master branch, he will get the merge conflicts, because SDET2 has also made the changes on the same file and on the same line, and Git doesn't know how to resolve it. So it leaves such cases for the users to fix. So what does Git does in this cases? First of all, Git creates a temporary branch with the name, whatever branch we are on, plus pipe and then the merging keyword. And on that particular branch now, it shows up the file which has the merge conflicts. And what it does is, and it adds both the conflicting versions in the same file using those arrows. And this is how that section appears. And it tells that everything above this line is coming from the current branch we are in. And everything which is coming between these two lines, this one and this one, this is coming from the branch we are trying to merge from. So it is saying, okay, this is the view which I have. Now you please tell me what all thing I need to place it in this file. That's why the editor like VS Code gives you these extra features where it is saying that, okay, you can accept the current change, where it will accept the changes which you have in the current branch, and it will skip the incoming changes. If you select the accept incoming change, it will accept the changes from the branch we want to merge from, and it will remove the changes from the current branch. Or if you want to keep both, it will keep both the changes in the same file then. And now once you make the selection, let's select accept incoming change. After you accept the changes, you need to merge these changes and provide a commit message. But before that, I wanted to show you on the Git status also how the view is. So you can see when we try to merge both the branches by using git merge and we ran git status on it, we're currently on this branch, right? The temporary branch. And this is what it is showing. It is saying that you have unmerged paths, right? And it is saying that both the paths have modified this file. Once we accept the changes and make a commit, the issue would get resolved and a merge conflict would get resolved. Let's try to make a commit. Now we need to stage the changes. So let's add this first. Now it is in the stage changes and we have already provided a comment, and let's just provide this comment and make a commit. Now once this is done, the merge conflicts is resolved, and here you can see at the bottom the branch is already updated. Let's check the branch here. See, the branch got updated automatically. So the temporary branch got removed, and this is the original branch where we were trying to merge the other branch. And this is how you resolve the merge conflicts. I hope you enjoyed the session today and would have learned something new. If you did, please subscribe the channel and do share the content with others as well.